Hey, from the Pacific Northwest. I reinstalled the molding on the door here for a second time. Do it twice, do it nice. Because the first time, I didn't buy enough of the name brand. I only bought 5 feet and wasn't enough to cover. And then when I went back to get more, they didn't have any more on the shelf, so I got this inexpensive brand that just didn't do the trick. When I had the molding partly installed and I was trying to pull this film away, the foam separated and half the glue stuck to this film. So that was a waste. So I had to pull the whole thing off again, get more of the brand name type, and redo the whole thing. So much for saving a couple bucks. But now I know I'm not gonna go with the cheaper brand. I'm just gonna go with the brand name. It's holding good now. The first time I removed all the leftover glue with the rubber eraser, but the second time I was just able to just get it off with thumb pressure and just rolling it right off. It actually came off easier than with this. But I use this a bit on the back of the molding itself. It works good, but nothing too impressive. One good thing, as it turns out, is if 1-inch masking tape, just ran it along there straight across, and it's actually fits exactly here. So it gives me a better guide to get it straight back onto the truck. Then we'll see if the others start to unglue badly. Maybe next year or so, we'll see. I might just remove all of them, put little door protectors on the edges here, and just let it be. I'm not going to re-glue them every time. But the others are holding for now, so we'll see how it goes. Till next time, take care.